Welcome to this course, How to Start Online Startup. My name is Sagar Ruparelia. I am founder director of My Filings, and today we are going to discuss how to choose different kinds of entities and how to incorporate your private limited company or LLP or public limited company, whatever. So basically, first you need to understand which is the most suitable business entity for you. Okay. In India, we have got these three types of business entities. Okay. Proprietorship, partnership, company. Proprietorship, it is the, you can say it is the oldest type of business entity in India. More than 70% of Indian business is proprietorship. Very easy to start. Okay. No perpetual successions. Perpetual successions, do you know any of one knows about that? Yeah. So the proprietor is the owner. He manages the business. He grows the business. Okay. Something happens to him, even if he falls sick, or whatever happens to him, okay, the proprietorship cannot run. If the proprietor dies, the proprietorship dissolves. Okay, no perpetual succession, right? The next one is partnership. When more than one person, two or maybe more than two, are doing business together, it is partnership firm. Okay. Partnership again is of two types. You can say normal partnership firm, and after 2008 we have this limited liability partnership. So we are going to learn about the limited liability partnership and partnership firm, both. Company. For all small businesses, we have got three different types of companies. Okay. There can be one person company, which is just like a proprietorship where there is only one shareholder, but you get the benefits of private limited company also. A private limited company, normal private limited company, started by minimum 2 shareholders, maximum 200 shareholders. There has to be 2 directors, maximum 15 directors. We are going to discuss that also. Okay. And a public limited company. A normal company, public limited company with minimum 7 number of shareholders, 3 directors, unlimited number of shareholders, maximum, no maximum limit. It becomes a public limited company. Okay. There are so many other types of companies like Section 8 company and NBFC and whatnot, but we are just covering the basic type of companies over here. Right?
Private limited?
Yeah.
2 partners, 2 directors, or maximum 200 partners?
Yeah. So in private limited company, you must have minimum 2 shareholders, 2 directors. Directors and shareholders can be the same person. Okay. Maximum number of shareholders can be 200. Okay. Maximum number of directors can be 15. 15. Okay. Not more than that. Right. Now we have got this first type of entity, which is proprietorship. Okay, as I told you, it is the most common and oldest form of business in India. It is a one-man organization. Something happens to that person and proprietorship does not exist after that. Yeah. Business is owned, managed and controlled by that particular person. Very easy to start. You can start your proprietorship concern in 2 days. Yeah. All you require is PAN card. Now, proprietorship basically does not have its PAN card. For example, my name is Sagar Ruparelia. I have my PAN card in name of Sagar Ruparelia. I want to start one proprietorship concern, say Sagar Enterprise. Okay. I will not have a PAN card of Sagar Enterprise. Proprietorship is assessed in name of the proprietor. So I already have my PAN card. Right? Now I have to just go and open the bank account. Okay, go to bank, open a current account in the name of proprietorship, that is, here you can say Sagar Enterprise. Okay, small thing, very small thing which you need to do. As per RBI regulations, you need one proof which is given by some government authority. It can be a local authority also. Yeah, in the name of Sagar Enterprise. Can be VAT registration, can be service tax registration, or can be anything else. Yeah. So this becomes a little bit confusing. Now, when I go for VAT registration, they ask for my bank account number. When I go for service tax registration, they ask for my bank account number. Now, when I go to bank, they ask for one of these documents. What to do? One registration where you do not need to provide your bank account details is your shop and establishment license. Yeah, or popularly known as Gumasta license. Okay, you can go to municipal ward of your location wherever you are starting your business. Easily get the Gumasta license in 3 to 4 days. Once you have the Gumasta license, you can present it to bank. Gumasta license will have two things: name of your proprietorship concern and your name as proprietor. You already have a PAN card in your name, right? So Gumasta license, your other documents which bank might require, your address proof and all, along with the shop and establishment. Okay.
How much does the Gumasta license cost?
Gumasta license generally costs somewhere around 4,500. If you go to any professional who makes it. If you go to a ward office in Mumbai, generally the fees for Gumasta license, official fees for Gumasta license is around 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. Balance 2,500 rupees, which is the professional, he charges that. This is how it goes.
And for Gumasta license, do we need a physical entity or?
Gumasta license, yeah, so it's a good question. Gumasta license can be given on a premises. Unless you have a premises, business premises, you are not going to get the Gumasta license. Okay, so for this place, I can have a rent agreement or an NOC from the owner of this place that, what's your name? Jai. That Jai is going to start a business over here in this particular name, and I don't have any objection if he uses this premises as his business premises. Okay, this NOC is given to the municipal corporation, and based on that, they'll give you the Gumasta license. Okay, you cannot get the Gumasta license unless you have any place of business. Yeah, but once you have got the Gumasta license, that place of business is registered somewhere with the government. Municipal corporation is a local authority, but it has been registered over there, right? Once you have registered shop and establishment, you can, as we discussed, you can open your bank account. Okay. Once your bank account is opened, you got your checkbook, pre-printed checkbook, I would say, because there are certain places where those rubber stamp wala checkbook is not allowed. So pre-printed checkbook. Okay, you got that pre-printed checkbook. Now you can go for your business registrations. Now what do I mean by business registrations? You opened your bank account. You are going to sell something online. Say you are going to sell shirts online. Okay, to sell it online, you will require VAT registration. Without that, you cannot do that, right? You will have to get your VAT registration. Okay. For example, if you are providing some services, okay, you need your service tax registration. Yeah. So that is a business registration. You are going to export something. Export may be of export of services or export of goods. Or you might import something from overseas. Okay, for that you might need importer exporter code, IEC. Okay, all these things needs bank account. Without bank account details, you cannot get that. Okay, and without all these things, actually you cannot start your business. Okay, any questions on this? Yeah.
The residential address we used as a proof for this shop and establishment, or do you need to have a proper rental shop or anything?
Yeah, so a residential address can also be used as business premises, but some municipal corporations have stopped doing that. Yeah, few municipal corporations, they want a commercial premises only to give you shop and establishment registrations. Some municipal corporations provide you shop establishment in residential address also, right? So proprietorship, very easy. Yeah.
You can divide it. You have 2-floor building. Ground floor, you can take it for the business entity, and
That is between you and your municipal corporation, because if you have ground floor and first floor, both are used as residence. Okay, it is registered as a residence premises in municipality. Okay,
you can divide it. Top floor and
you can convert your residence to commercial, and then you can have your shop establishment. So as I said, that is between you. You have to decide what you want to do, right? And then you get your shop establishment, right? So yeah.
Suppose we have rented one place, commercial. So can we get 3-4 Gumasta license?
Yeah, when you are sharing a premises, when you are sharing a commercial premises, and you are having different rent agreements. So one place, this place, might have 2 different agreements. One is in the name of Jai and one is in my name. I'll be using half of this, Jai will be using half of this. That can be done. That can be done. Yes.
That depends on the owner and the
Yeah. So owner has given
3-4 agreements, so 3-4 license can be issued by.
Yes. Okay. So I think we are through with proprietorship. Okay. Any more questions? No. Okay. So we are through with proprietorship as of now.